Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been out camping. First video in a long time, and I'm on one of the worst paths in the Lake District, heading up to one of the most beautiful places in the Lake District in my opinion, Tarn. Again, I am out with Bobby, my little brother, and we just wanted an easy one. Looked at the weather elsewhere towards Haweswater and Smallwater Way. The original plan tonight was Kidsty Pike, but there was severe weather warnings up that way, so tried and tested Tarn for us. So we're going to camp as high up as we can tonight. Should be a clear night from what the weather forecast is saying, and we're hoping to see some UFOs, aren't we? So we're going to be stargazing tonight and see what we can see in the skies. Right, I'm going to continue up this path because it absolutely kills me. I'll bring you back when we're towards the top. There he goes, fair weather wanderer, iron brew in each pocket. It's what's driving him onto the top, an ice cold can of iron brew with a view. Has just said the Tarn's quite quiet. I'll be the judge of that. I'm going to say there's going to be at least 10 tents here tonight, so we'll see. But by what she's saying it's quiet. Like I say, we're going to try and camp as high up as we can. There's a little crag, we found a beauty spot last time we were here. And you get signal up there as well, which I suppose, you know, you do want solitude sometimes and a bit of quiet, but it is also nice to be able to speak to whoever you want to speak to on a night, just let them know you've got somewhere safe. So yeah, I'll be the judge of how quiet it is. right-handed angle Tarn. I'll give you a look. There she is, home away from home. And we're going to try and camp on that thing there. I think that's the one. Yeah, definitely. I seem to remember we got a bit of signal up there last time. So, right, we're going to crack on, get the tent set up. Starving, aren't you, Bob? You ready for an iron brew?
Mm-hmm.
Aye, got a couple of beers for the night as well. So, yeah, eager to get set up and get over there now. Bring you back in a bit. Fancy seeing you here.
What are you doing here?
You know, you stalking me. How long did it take you?
An hour 16 on there.
From that direction?
No. Came from Hardstop and I come off the path and just headed straight up. And I ran into all the deer at the top.
Oh, right.
Like literally right in front of us.
What did it take us, Bob? Well, 3 hours. Oh, aye, loads of space. We're at the top. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it is quiet, to be honest. There's a group of people down that way. That's all I've seen. Right, we'll go and have a look at Callum's new tent. What have you got then?
Hillyberg, Steiker.
2.
Black label, yeah, 2 man.
Where's the door then? Round this way.
Well, that's the door there, but yeah, I've got the other one open.
2 doors?
Yeah.
Can feel the quality. 10 pawn. Oh fucking hell. Bloody hell, lovely that, isn't it?
It's massive.
It's like a spaceship. This is the double one.
Yeah, I've just got it today, so I thought I'd bring it
Thick
just
that,
to try it. Yeah.
Oh aye. Very nice. Organised like.
If your tent blows away tonight, you can jump in here.
Do you know what? I'm confident in that like.
Brilliant.
Very nice. What are you drinking then, Bob? Show us the good stuff. Oh, you get drunk off that like. How strong's that?
9.9%.
Is it? Oh, give us something. Right, this is tonight's piss. I'm having to drink the cheap stuff because of the bloody price of the good stuff now in the shop. So tonight's beer is Memphis Blood. This is an Aldi IPA. It's a complete rip-off of Brewdog. So yep, we'll give it a go. 6.5%. I'm expecting greatness. Fruity on the nose. Right, bottoms up. Aye, not a bad drop that. I'll get it again, 179 a can, Aldi. Right, we've been fed. We've had a few sarnies, haven't we? You've had your 2 iron brew. He's pissed. I've had a couple of them beers, they were great, alright. And I've had a summer to eat meal, chicken tikka masala, does the trick. As you can hear, it's wind's picking right up now. Callum's recorded wind speeds there at 30 mile an hour, so I don't think they're going to go any higher than this tonight, but you never know. But this tent's more than capable of holding its own with them sorts of wind speeds. Like, it's just whether we'll get any kip or not, who knows there. But I love it. I love the wind. Hate the rain, love the wind. Got a bottle of red wine to have, so I'm gonna get out in that now. Enjoy the views over Tarn, sip this bottle of red wine. And we've downloaded some stuff on Netflix to watch tonight, haven't we? Yeah. So yeah, see how we get on. But I love the wind quietening down right now, like. But yeah, it's gonna be in all night, and I think we're gonna get rain early in the morning, so not great. I hate packing in the rain. So I probably bring you back in a bit. It is starting to darken down now, so I don't know what more filming I'll do, to be honest, but if I can get out and film, I will. But if I don't film, I'll see you in the morning. So the tent seems to be holding up really well. Like I say, we've recorded 30 mile an hour winds there. There's Callum's Stiker. That's not budging that at all, like. Shouldn't be for red 30, like. Shine it on yours. Morning. As you can probably hear, we've had a pretty rough night in terms of weather, like. It's been non-stop like this all night. I would say 35 to 40 mile an hour gusts coming through the tent, driving rain. I was hoping to get packed up in the dry, to be honest, but looks like we're going to be packing up a wet tent again. I can't even make a coffee this morning because I've bloody left the coffee bags in the car. So at the minute we're just probably still asleep. I'm just waiting for a break in the rain so I can start getting packed up really. But yeah, pretty grim, like night and day the weather. Yesterday we had glorious sunshine coming up. Today it's just foul. But it is what it is. So hopefully it stops for 5 minutes and then get backed up like. That's a smart dress. Right, we've got a break in the rain now, so we'll head south, get back to the car as quick as possible. You love it, don't you, Bob? Right, we're about back to the car now. I haven't done any filming because the weather's just been horrendous. So I will sign off here and I'll see you in the next one, whenever that may be. I don't get out much these days. But yeah, thanks for watching.